A Rwanda expert has said that the Communist Party of China is a people's party because it was created for the Chinese people with the primary goal of improving their welfare. Joseph Motaboba, a former United Nations envoy and a career diplomat, made the remarks in Kigali in a recent interview with Xinhua.
When this party was created, it was created for the people and by the people. The whole intention was to see how they can improve on the well-being of the people and how they can improve on the livelihood of the people of China. So it was created, that's why I'm saying, for the people and by the people, because they want to improve on their own way of living, but also at the same time to see how they can project themselves in the world. Because the theory of the doctrine of socialism, which was already embraced by many, was appealing to the Chinese people. China is a country which can feed themselves. So the food security is there. If you have to feed a big population like that, and you don't improve on your agriculture, you are dead. So they have done it: agriculture, industry, defense, and science and technology. I think they are on the right track.